What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Supercell ID when the verification code is not received and what to do step by step if the email just isn't showing up. First, check the obvious places. Open your email app and look in your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Supercell verification emails are often filtered automatically, especially on Gmail and Outlook. If you find it there, mark it as not spam, so future codes arrive normally. Next, make sure you're using a supported email provider. Supercell works best with major providers like your Gmail, Outlook, or iCloud. If your Supercell ID is linked to a work email, school email, or a custom domain, verification codes may not arrive reliably. In that case, switching to a supported email later may be necessary. If you requested the code multiple times in a row, pause for a bit. Requesting codes too frequently can delay delivery or temporarily block new codes. Wait a few minutes, then try again calmly. Double check that the email address is typed correctly in the Supercell ID screen. Even a small typo means the code is being sent to the wrong address, and Supercell won't warn you about it. You should also try restarting the game and your device, then request the verification code again. This can fix small connection issues or sync issues that stop emails from triggering properly. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can sometimes help if the game isn't communicating properly with Supercell servers. If none of that works and you still can't receive the verification code, the final step is to contact Supercell support. Open the game, go to Settings, tap Help and Support, then tap the blue message bubble in the top right corner. Tell them you're unable to receive Supercell ID verification codes and include the email address you're trying to verify. Supercell may ask for account details to confirm ownership, and once verified, they can help you regain access or update your Supercell ID email if needed. And that's it. That's how you verify your Supercell ID when the verification code isn't coming through. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.